Here we go.
Hey. Fucking door is not frozen shut. Maybe it was locked.
Gotta flex the S's. Gotta flex the S's. Whoa.
I see people locking into their fucking grinds like insane.
That's why, like, I never rode Thunders. I mean, Indies before, and like my boy Chris from Vans, he's like, just try him out. Like,
I rode Indies.
They ain't
dude,
crooks,
I didn't like
but
them.
he fucks with them.
I rode like a lot of trucks.
Damn, Cleber, you better ask them niggas for a drop off, boy. Your shit looking nuts.
It came along. My shit's looking.
Yo, Cleber, where we at?
I don't know. Yeah, some skatepark. You got some snow. You got a skateboard.
Holy shit. You don't know the name of it though? What's the name of it?
I don't know. Oh, I mean, I forgot.
I don't know what it's called. Let's ask these dudes. Word. Yo, you guys know the name of this place?
Second Nature.
Second Nature? Word, thanks, yeah. Second Nature?
Yeah, it's Second Nature.
You out, Freddie? Shit's looking wet. Looking wet. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, Cleber, they got the deck for you.
Oh, yeah.
You out here? You bastard! Got a Cleber a freshie, you feel me? Little drop off, cause his shit looking crazy. Yo, you wanna snap it for the video?
Hell yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
Okay,
Damn, Cleber! What the fuck? Damn, Rodney, you killing me, son. You killing me. Let him know. We out here, Second Nature, got the late night session. Not ready. Out here with Rodney and the homies and shit. Late night session, you ready?
Stitches. You gotta pay to play, man. Yeah, you know what I mean? Let him know,
dude. Damn, Rodney, you slacking, bro. You slacking.
Not too much.
Out here, Second Nature, filming the homies. Got my homie, got Rodney Torres' GoPro kit. Real quick, you about to get some clips. Word. At fucking Second Nature, trying to skate. Got my man, Rodney Torres. Trying to have me film some shit. He trying to knack real quick. Tray flip, no slide on the rail. Taking forever. Man, this shit, Rodney. What the fuck? Niggas trying to skate, bro. I don't know how many tries we're in. I'm really hoping Rodney lands this shit quick. I'm trying to skate, dude. I'm trying to fuck this place up. Learn some new shit. Do some old shit. Skate the new obstacles. Shit looking lit.